Hello, good morning everybody. I'm gonna have to fix my tire today. Somebody put a screw into it and I'm gonna show you how to fix a tire. And I bought a kit from Amazon. Say hello, Tita. And that's my cat. I don't know where she went. She's white, but for the moment is black, white and gray. And he is Titsu. Titsu, say hello to the camera. Let me show you the kit I bought from Amazon to fix the tire. Okay, so that's the one, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix it nice. Okay. So the first step to do is to see to find where the screw is. So the first thing to do is to put some water with some sapon, as just for washing, just sapon, normal sapon for washing the dishes, and that's it. Alright, so first step I'm gonna show you now is to go to the car to find where the screw is. So I've got here the water with sapon, and let's do it. You can see my tire is already flat. It's all the way down. So I've got to start the car and to see where the screw is. Let's do that. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna start the car to twist the wheel so I can find where the hole is. Yeah, that's it. Let's spray it out. So what I'm gonna do now, come to the tire, I'm gonna spray all the way around here. In here as well, by the valve, to see if there is air coming from there. So it should be, I'm looking for bubbles now. There's no bubbles in there. And then I'm coming here, nothing here, I can't see anything anyway. Probably now I'll have to move it a bit forward. Anyway, I'm gonna have to jack it up, so it's gonna be easier to find where the screw is. In here there are passing cars as well, so it's gonna be a bit funny how I'm gonna do it. Anyway, let's see. Because now I can work with two hands, and you can see the screw there. Yes, you can see it. That's okay. I think these pliers are not very handy from the kit. Probably I'll bring my fine ones. These are proper ones. Let's see with these ones. I can't grab it properly. That's the problem. Look, the cars are coming. So I need to get out of here. Let's do it again. just that I can't grab it. Now this time I'm gonna get it out. I don't want it to go inside or to break, because if that happens, it's not good. And just twisted as well, a little bit. It's very, I don't know how he got in there, but it doesn't matter now, as long as we fix the problem. Problem is fixed. Oh yes, I'm getting it out now. Can you see? It's coming out. I'm happy. It's a big long screw in there. Ah, little small screw. I'm not using these ones. They just think they just plant this type of things. Alright, so now first step by the book. It says even here. First step, took the screw, which I've done. First step. Second step to make the hole in there. Then third, I'm gonna put some of this pasta in there. That one. And then fourth, I'm gonna put the rubber inside, which is this one. I'm gonna show you, will see every step by step.
Oh yeah.
Much. Maybe I need to twist a little bit more the wheel. Alright, so guys, on the this second stage, I'm gonna now I'm enlarging the hole, which I've done already. So I'm just opening the pasta now to apply it there. And another tool here. Where it's gone? Oh, there it is. This one here. So I'm just seeing there. Alright, so now I'm gonna take one of these and just push it inside. This one goes like this. It goes all the way halfway in there, like that. And now I'm gonna punch it inside. hold it there. That's it. Practically that's it. So now I'm gonna cut that piece out. Yeah, I've got here in the kit. I've got some cutters, Stanley knife. So I'm just gonna cut the extremities out. There's the remaining here. Anyway, this is not a permanent fix, but for the time being it's okay. And that's it, guys. The car is working properly. I came here by the car wash now, and I'm gonna give it a nice wash now. Right. Yep. So that's it. All done. All good to get back on the streets. Yep. Oh yeah. Guys, one last thing, hit subscribe under my video, hit the button subscribe, and I will make many more videos. Thank you.